Hey y'all, we're back in another video, and right now I'm headed to the breeder to look for another puppy. And after, I'm going to have a little PetSmart Petco haul, and I'll show y'all when I get there. Hey y'all, we back. Right now we at the puppy breeder, and we about to go in. You know, the whole coronavirus is a thing, so we just about to come in, see what's going on, and I'll get with y'all and get inside. Alright, so we in here, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Got the mini Bastons, the Bichons, got the Shih Tzus. That is so cute. So we got the Pomeranians. Then some more Pomeranians, and they got other dogs in the back. Oh, them dogs going crazy. So cute. What is this? Oh. So cute. Alright, so do y'all have Morkies?
No,
Like,
sold out.
well, not right now, but like, how much they usually cost?
It'll be like 35, 36. Everything's like kind of close to these prices.
I see. 35, 36.
The only thing that's a different price would be like bulldogs. Those are already higher.
Oh. I'm thinking, where are they going? Well, I guess I'm gonna have to. I can do. Well, I have to make sure I tell my dad, but I can do 1,000. That's that winter dog, right? Oh, it's kind of cute. So all these dogs. Okay, so I found what I think I like, but it's sold, so we have to come back. This is what I want. This is a Bichon Poo. It's so cute. And then we got the little Yorkie in the corner, but it's so cute. The pet place, and now we're headed to the pet store, PetSmart or Petco, whichever one is. So I'll see y'all when we get there. Hey y'all. We had to make a little pit stop, but we still headed on to the store. Just trying to get a little guacamole because the girl is hungry. It's like 12 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything all day. But you know. So when we went in the breeder, I saw the dog I like, but since we didn't go yesterday, there weren't many dogs to choose from. Most of them were sold, and there wasn't really anything we could get. So I'm gonna be uploading another vlog when I get my dog. Also, when we go look again, the day for me to get her or him, since my dad wants me to get a boy, will be August 15th. We're just gonna put the deposit down, and then after that, you know, I'm gonna get my dog maybe like September or whatever, since I'm starting college in August as well. So who knows? Hopefully they have my dog and want me a little nice cream puppy, and it's gonna be cute. But you know, I'll see y'all when we get to PetSmart or Petco. Hey y'all, so we finally at PetSmart. About to do this little doggy haul. So Oh my gosh. So I want to start the back and head to the front. This is my thing. I kind of want to get the puppy the same food they're feeding it at the breeder, but they just have bigger bags like here instead of opposed to what food they're feeding them, because I don't know, it's just not good enough for me. £5 perfect. But they have this blue. That blue is so cool. Are you recording now? Okay. Since you forgot to record, or since I didn't press the button before I handed her the phone, we gotta start over. So we're gonna start with a crate. Previously, we got a huge crate, even though our dog is probably only gonna be 12 to 20 pounds. So I should have gotten this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this out. And we also got a crate mat. And now that I think of it, the bed matches the crate mat as well. So that's gonna be cute. And my debate, like within myself, is the food, because when I had my other dog, the food wasn't large. So it's been a year. I'm gonna just go ahead and check and see if they have any bigger sizes for their food, and just go from there. So from right here, as you see, they have the Bill Jack Puppy Select one. And this is what I was using originally for my first puppy, Frosty. If y'all go back and see him in the Is It Safe for Dogs to Go to the Beach video, you'll see him there. But originally he was on this food, the small breed puppy food. But over time, we really just put him on another food because the bags were bigger, and we didn't have to worry about getting these itty bitty bags every single time, because the big bags would be around this price as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the other ones and compare the price. So this is what we had for our puppy. We had this one, and it's $17.99 opposed to $21.99 with the Bill Jack. But Bill Jack is premium food. So this is deboned chicken. That's the #1 ingredient. And the #1 ingredient in this is chicken as well. So I would just need to compare the ingredients and see what's good and see what's not. But I'll decide that in the front. You can stop recording. So we have 2 types of food. And I know my puppy likes, my previous puppy, Frosty, I know that he likes to eat chicken noodle soup. So I might get that for him if I see some.
Where is that?
Actually, they don't have it. So I had to keep one. Actually, we're gonna have to go back up because we're gonna have to go back up since they don't have it here. So I started off all 3 of my puppies with these plate platters or pate platters, whatever they say it. And just get them 2 of these. And since we got Corona going on, I'm gonna just go ahead and get 3. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get 3 since I might not be able to come back to the store. I'm not sure if they're gonna shut it down again or however they're gonna do it, but I get that wet food for them just in case they don't completely like how the food tastes. So I just get that just in case. And then also I get the puppy food, the Caesar puppy food. I usually get this, but since they don't have the big box, I'm just not gonna get it at all. I'm just gonna wait and see if I can find something online. What you think? I think it's cute. Yeah, I think it's cute too. Can I get this? Oh. They have a lot of different things for these dogs. I wonder if they have any puppy food. Oh yeah, this is for puppies. They have the beef and salmon recipe. This lasts a pretty long time. Just maybe on Sundays when your dog don't feel like eating, or something extra to put on top of your dog's food if he or she doesn't feel like eating. And last thing, if you like to walk your dog or go to dog parks, you're definitely gonna need waist bags, and that's the #1 thing. I definitely want a girl, so I'm gonna get the blue and pink ones. And I'm also gonna get a holder. This. But that's it for this video. If you all want to see more in-depth reviews of each thing I got, and want to see more things that I actually have, then stay tuned for the next video.